Welcome to Biopractice webinar on Achieving the Lifecycle Approach to Process Validation with QbD, RTR, and PAT. The presenter for today's webinar is Jan Gunnar Gustafsson, CEO, Vice President Analysis and Characterization for Bioevaluation BOAB Sweden. Jan is a versatile and highly accomplished senior executive management professional offering over 32 years of experience in the areas of process development, strategic planning, creative solution development, manufacturing, organizational health and safety management, contract negotiation, quality assurance, and project management in the pharmaceutical industry. He is also a biopharmaceutical expert, scientist, and strategic business development manager with extensive leadership and management skills and rich exposure to Swedish, American, and European markets. And now I would like to hand over to the speaker, Jan Gunnar Gustafsson. Over to you, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. As I said, my name is Jan Gustafsson, and we will now spend an hour on quality by design and real-time release of PIG. So, this is what I intend to cover in the first part of the presentation. So, quality by design, which is, well, what is it? So by the way, it's a good day to you, I suppose, and it's the evening here in Sweden, it's getting dark, but it's not a problem. So, quality by design, well, there's many definitions about what it means. One thing is what you could say what is a process statistics evaluation, and yes, but that is something you could do after you have done your design, when you use statistics evaluation to evaluate what you have done. So it's really a question of designing a process to fulfill all the requirements, and you do it from start. And design is something who refers to construction of an object or a system. So what's the intention with quality by design is it should secure quality and reproducibility based on knowledge. Knowledge is something I'm going to measure a lot of times during this presentation because it's the fundamental for all of what we're going to discuss. So by measuring critical parameters, you build a knowledge, and you have to have them in a database, or you can do statistical evaluation of the data, but you have to collect them in such a way that you actually can use the data for evaluation. So why do you need a database? It's a sort of process of innovation, really. So quality by design, I would say, is a move from regulatory guidance to scientific guidelines, meaning that if you understand your process in a scientific way, your process works. Well, when you fulfill the regulation requirements, when you can use statistical evaluation to secure what your design process fulfill your requirement, but it's not a way of doing the design. And you need a quality system applicable across the life cycle of your product. So again, this is the database where you collect all the data during development, during manufacturing, and you also have to have what's been more and more important is risk management, where you have to do evaluation of risk in all your development work. So it's become know-how driven, not really regulatory driven. You have to know what you do. And if you know what you do it right. And for that, doing that, you need a knowledge management, which is a systematic approach to acquiring, analyzing stories and of information to your products, your manufacturing process development, and all the components you used in it. I do refer to the ICHO guidelines, where sort of the information is coming from, or the requirement is coming from.